your question. Your question is, if your father were here and your mother were watching from afar, what would you want to tell both of them about the woman you have become? Again, if your father were here and your mother were watching from afar, what would you want to tell both of them about the woman you have become?
Behind the gown is grit, and behind every student is a responsibility. To my mother, who is part of the majority, working as an overseas Filipino worker, thank you so much for your sacrifices. For me, Baba, and for real, thank you so much for sacrificing a part of you, of being 26 years, a warrior overseas. Take care of yourself, because you're the only one that's left for me and you. To my Father in heaven, Baba, you have gone too soon. One day you're with us, and all of our dreams were for you, and the next you're not. I will not carry you just in my face and in our eyes, but we will carry your wisdom, your kindness, and your humility. I know I still haven't gone far in life yet, and there's still a long way ahead of me. But I will do my best to prove to everyone, especially my mom, to my father, and to my sister, that I will stand strong, I will stand independent, and I will be the woman you hold me to be, to face my battles with valor, gallantry, and courage. To everyone out there, take this as a reminder. I stand before you, reminding each and every one of you that times may be hard. Distance may make us far apart, and we might be divided now. But a real family that has the foundation of love, determination, and hope is unbeatable.